All right, so I took some fat L's. Last night I went over it. Basically, it printed fine. The top plate printed fine, which is great, but then the bottom, I only got the bracket out of it. The rest of it was doing that thing where it like, I don't know, the flow rate is like low, so then it just turns into foam, and it basically just crumbles in your hands. So basically, these freaking 6 hours of, well, 6 hours of prints, not my fault. Well, I'll just take personal responsibility. It's my fault, but whatever. We're just gonna have to do this again. I'm gonna try to do this without supports. So we're gonna take a modification, and we are just going to. And I'm wondering if you can chamfer like this, or I need to adjust the sketch. But what? Okay, first I'm just gonna adjust the sketch because that part. Okay, so let's just do that. Okay, so we're going to take sketch 1, I believe, and we are just going to delete, we're going to draw a line from here to here, make this, no, from here to here. This is going to be 5. Okay, now we are going to just delete the coincidence. We're going to make this, oops, oh. This is a construction now. So now the distance between here and here is 5. That's a little goofy. Wait, how did this even happen? Oh. Wait, what? Oh, okay, fine. I don't really care. So this part having supports is fine. Basically, what we're trying to avoid is this whole outer part having supports. So let's just export it and see. What we can do here. So yeah, so out of all of these parts, the only thing I got was this freaking bracket. Both this and that were totally foam. So kind of annoying. Okay, it's still gonna say that I need supports. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to enable supports, but then paint, fill that. And let's just see. That. I'm like more okay with that. Okay, fine. So that's fine. Now what we need to do is we need to go to this part and basically we're going to split this into 2 parts. I went over this yesterday. We're going to make this actually a hole, and this is going to be 10 mils taller. So what we want to do is we want to actually check from here to here. Okay, so that's an important quantity. Okay, so we're going to redesign this. I wonder what the easiest way to do this is. Should I do surgery or should I let's see. Let's try a split body. Parts, surfaces, parts, this part, entity to split with. Can I pick? So now this and this. Oh, but look at this. What happened? Why is it like so many different parts? I want to specifically cut on this face. Is that possible? That's probably possible. Let's just try to make a plane. Presumably I can tangent, offset, 0. I think tangent would have worked too. But anyway, so now we have a plane on the bottom of this surface. Now let's try split again. We're going to split this part and we're going to split with this plane. Oh, actually there was a face split. Did you see that? Faces to split. I don't think that's what we want. I think we want this. So now we have two. Okay, so this is going to be the rename inner. Okay, great. So this is good. Now all we need to do is we basically need to draw a sketch on here. Then this is going to be do we want to do 79.5? We could just do 80. So this is going to be bearing 80 ID. Okay, and then we're basically just going to take this, remove, up to next. Okay, we're going to, on the same sketch though, we are going to make another circle like this, and the distance between here and here is going to be wall. Okay, and then we're going to extrude this by like 10. 10, is that enough? Maybe we'll make it 15. So then, yeah, so then we're going to put, okay, so then all we have to do is take this, extrude it by, is it 20 more? It's probably 20 more. No, wait, why is that so goofy? Does it tell you how much that is? I guess I don't really care, but then it adds an interdependency. So wait, hold on. What is the distance between here and here? 21? Why is it 21? I don't really care. We're just going to do it. So I'm going to take this, extrude, 21. Okay, now we are going to make a tangent plane here. Okay, it doesn't really matter where. Sketch on here, normal. Okay, now we're gonna take this and this. I think I already have this. No, I don't. So we gotta click on, not that, but this. Use it, draw a line. Here's the midpoint, midpoint. Make this a construction line. Now take this midpoint, make a circle. What are we gonna do here? I think we just wanna make an M6. We could try threaded inserts. Do we have M6? M6 8 by 8, which means that the outer is, right, 8, and then the depth is 8. I think that this is 6. Let me go look at my threaded inserts. I'm going to get my hat too. Of course, I feel like I could just make the inner wall real beefy, but yeah, we only have length 8 and length 10, so I'm not going to do that. We're just going to make them M6. Okay, great. So now we want to take this as a knot construction. We want to extrude this, remove up to face, yeah, and then merge scope this and inner. Let's see if this works, because this would be nice. We're going to need some long bolts. It's going to need to be at least 11. Okay, that'll be fine. Okay, so we're going to do this. And now we're going to circular pattern. And yesterday I was like, oh, let's do 8. I think we're just going to do 4. So we're going to feature pattern this extrusion around here. And let's see. Okay, cool. So it keeps the merge scope. So that's nice. And 4. So that's perfect. So this is ready to be printed. The only thing is I want to go back to the assembly because I feel like now failed to resolve instance. Right. Okay. So that's okay. We're just going to re-put it in. I don't know how you're supposed to update this. If I double click this and replace instances. So this is going to be in BY2. And it's going to be this. And that, okay, that's actually what we want, because this has the okay, but then what we want to do is, do we get a mate connector here? Hopefully we do. I think sometimes it might be weird. So now what we want, so okay, so this is how we're going to assemble it. So we're going to take this thing, we're going to shove this bearing in here, we're going to shove this down in here until it's flush and through this bearing. Okay, then we're going to put the top plate on top of it, put the bolts through. Actually, could we put it on the inner? Yo, what's up, bro? Been forever, man. Been forever. How you been, bro? Dude, I took some fat L's last night where this whole outer casing print just failed. This is how it goes. It's starting to look really good, though. If you check the shorts on my page, they're looking kind of good. Okay, wait. I'm trying to think what would be better. If we go back to this. Yeah, instead of doing this, let's see. We would still make it hollow, but we'd have... but the problem with that going... Let's see, what would it look like? Let's undo. Let's roll it back to before these. Okay, so... Okay, so instead we go in by 5, 6 more or whatever, and then we have it go down. And then the way you put the bolts in is that it's going to be around here. That's better, because I really do want the top. Okay, that's better. So let's just undo all this. Okay. So let's so let's look at this sketch. So the inner diameter here is 67. Does that make sense? That's 13. Did I do 6.5 for the wall? Or is this, no, this is 79 though. We need to adjust that. I need to remember to adjust that, because that is going to be a huge problem. Okay, it might start raining. All right. So 67. Oh. I think it's just from the trees. I think I'm good. So this we want to be 67. So let's do 66. And then we have, oh wait, no. This is 66. Okay, we're going to extrude this and we're going to delete it. It makes it a little bit harder to, we already did the split, right? So we have two parts here. It's interesting that renames probably are parametric, but it just doesn't show up in the feature timeline. Okay, so we have this, and now all we need to do is, yeah, take basically, okay, this face. Oh, okay, wait, let's just sketch on the other side then. So we're going to hide this, take this, not extrude, sketch, hello, okay, so now this, let's just make a construction of, so this is wait, what is this? This is 56? Oh yeah, okay, that checks out. So, oh wait, so all we need is, yeah, all we need is to dimension this and this to be 5 apart. And then we're going to extrude this by 15. Okay, now if we put this back on, do we have a tangent plane? Okay, we can use right plane. So we're going to enable this. We're going to select right plane and do a section view. So this makes sense. So now all we have to do is add these holes. And it shouldn't be that much harder to... Oh, wait. We need to think about the rest of it. Hello? It's frozen. Come on. What the hell? What is it doing? Okay, so we have oh geez. Alright, so we have this. Now I just want to, where's my section view? Okay, so we're going to take the right plane and do the section view again. Okay, so the problem here is that we can't put bolts there because that's where the bearing goes. So we have no space for that. Oh, fuck. I shouldn't have deleted that. I should have just left it in the timeline. I don't know why I deleted all that stuff. The alternative is obviously make this longer and put them deeper, but we could also make this just a little bit taller. But we kind of want the support from here, right? Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the other design. It's so much worse, but it's so much better because then we don't have to... I mean, I love the idea of hiding all of the nonsense fasteners from this thing, but... Let's see, how could we make this work? So the problem with making the outer channel taller and this inner channel taller is that then getting the bearing to fit flush onto this little cut here is going to be kind of challenging. So first off, did I even dimension this properly? I should go get it and try to slot this thing in here. I broke the thing off of it, unfortunately. It's not very good of me. Okay, wait, we need to know the distance from here to here. I'm pretty sure that's 10, but if it's not, we're in deep trouble. So, Can we make this work? The way we can make this work is by making these walls thicker and then using threaded inserts. But the thing is, it's going to be a pain in the butt to get those threaded inserts in there. Or we could just use smaller threaded inserts. Still, though, it's going to be a pain in the butt to, like, get it in at an angle like that. Let's see, what do we have here? We got M5 by 6. We could do M5 by... But then we have to make sure that we have the exact right length bolt too. Damn. Okay. Fine. So we're gonna I'm gonna roll back this, and we're gonna redo it again, unfortunately. So this is gonna be bearing ID, and then we want a... We need to make sure that this actually... I'm pretty sure that this causes no problems, but once it's done, we're gonna have to... Okay. Okay. We don't have that plane anymore. Ugh. Six 6.2 is not that much. But whatever, I don't really care. Obviously, I would want to add a little lip here, but then you have to put supports, and it's like, is that even worth it? Plus, it makes it taller. Okay, so that's the part. So let's just go back to... Oh, so I just broke a whole bunch of stuff, didn't I? Okay, wait. Let's just rebuild the assembly. Actually, let's just do this. Nice. Okay, so now we need to add I think it's this. We need to add top bracket with motor. Top bracket, no motor. Okay. Worm, big bearing, top plate tilt. Okay. So we need to go to this. Big bearing, top plate tilt. Then we want to add this and this. Okay. Now, it doesn't really matter, but how do we want it? We want this to be the back. So that means that we're going to take this. Let's see, this is that. This. Oh, no. Oh, is that because I just did it wrong? Yeah, I just did it wrong. So wait, so yeah, so this guy put onto there, right? That seems right. Okay, then this guy. Nice. Okay, then do we have a bearing design here? Bearing 25. Okay. Doing these things is actually not so hard. I'm going to mate that to there, right? And then we want to mate this here. Okay. Then we need, and then actually, do we have the whole? Wait, this is not the right one. It's this one. So I wonder if I can, like, can I move, basically, you take, and you, yeah, okay, it's not that hard. So it should work, but you never know. But so what we want to do is we want to take this, yeah, this, not the bearings, the solenoid housing, and the solenoid assembly. We want to take this and we want to, like, copy and move to new subassembly. That is so nice. Holy hell, that's so nice. Wait, but okay, so it actually did make it. So this is going to be the tilt platform. Oh, that's such a good, useful feature. Hell yeah, man. I'm really pleased with that. So now we got to go back to this, and we are just going to insert tilt mech. Tilt platform. Okay, now all we have to do is mate this with, we want it to be with this, and we want it to be Revolute. Wait, did I get the direction right? No, I didn't. Wait, I didn't? This one to here? Oh, I think I did. Okay, yeah, see how we have an interference there, but... Okay, wait, I just wanted to see the whole thing. Wait, what? No, I think that's just a bug. I think that... Yeah. Okay. Wait, what is that? Oh, you know what it is? No, let's just delete it, and we're gonna do it one last time. I know what happened. You need it when you do this. You need to select the back one. There we go. All right. Wow, this is what it looks like. That's crazy. Do we think that this really can support that? It looks so small. I was hoping you can't really get really big bearings. What would I want? I would want, yeah, like 200 millimeter bearings. Yeah, the biggest you can find are these ones, which is the size that I What about 150? These are huge though, and they're expensive, man. This is a kind of a good idea. Thrust bearings. I don't really know the... Oh, hey, you can even get bigger ones. But the thing is... Yeah, but this doesn't really work because it's not like you have an inner channel and a... Yeah, it's more so that you have a top plate and a bottom plate that rotates. So you'd rotate it like this, but that's not really what you want. It's nice to know that these exist, though. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of crazy. On Amazon, you can't get these big bearings. So we're just gonna have to try to make do. So are we good? I mean, there's no issue. I could just make this 250. Then at least it looks a little bit less top-sided. But the thing is, it's like, it doesn't really do anything. Okay, so do we see any issues there? Five. What is the M6? Look at my calipers. I think the M6 head might be a little bit too big for that. We could always put the... No. We could just make it higher. That's the easy way. Or we could just adjust this to bring it in. I feel like that may be the easiest thing to do. Is just to go back to before the mirror and just pull it in by... Because really, look how much room we have here. We don't need that much room. We have at least... I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, we have at least... 5 millimeters to take off of it. I mean, of course, we could just do 2. How nice would it look if this stupid feature was not there? If it was inside? Okay, so we got to reprint this, got to reprint this, got to reprint this, and you got to reprint this. That's, oh man, that sucks. For now, I'm just going to use 2 bolts because we can always reprint this later, but it's not like absolutely necessary. And I don't think I changed anything else here, but we might as well add the stepper and then tilt worm. Is this looks small. Oh no, this is the yaw. Yeah, okay, we're good. I got confused. Okay, so we want to mate that to here. Okay, then we want to mate this to here, flip it around, offset it, Z19. Okay. Look at that backlash. Okay. That's that. Okay. So we're just gonna reprint everything, I guess. Kind of sucks, actually. What are you gonna do? Okay, so we need to take top plate, inner. Yeah, we need to reprint this. And we need to reprint this. And I think that's everything. So we're gonna export this. So sad, bro. So sad. You gotta be kidding me. Dude, this thing is so stupid. I hate this Explorer. Okay. Oh, damn, that was a close call. We actually have to change. Let's see. We need to go. Oh my god, that was close. We need to change the Boolean. I think it's this. So we made this 79/2. And it's too small. So if we make it 80, I think that's too big because. So let's make this like. Wait, that's to the. Yeah, that's to the outer one, right? So this gives us. So when I measured it, it measured at 79.3 or something. So maybe we should do that. Oh, this is so lame. Alright, I'm gonna do this. It felt pretty loose. What is this? This is 80, right? And then this is 79.5. Okay. Is there anything else that I'm forgetting? So wait, so we need to freaking re-export that's the worst part about these online CAD is that their target market is definitely not freaking 3D printers because this workflow of like you make a single change and now you gotta go back, export, wait for this stupid dialogue, reload it in. It's all just nonsense. What the fuck? Especially for how much you have to deal with this crap. Okay, so we need to delete this. Oh, we need to add this back in. Okay, so we're gonna try to get away with no supports, right? I'm pretty sure that's correct. Oh wait, we have supports enabled. I don't want supports. Okay. Damn. That's so painful, man. Do we have the transcript? I think we do have a transcript, right? Where is it? Oh, it's wait. No, but I see chat replay. Wait, do we does that feature only exist on videos? Dude, there's so much freaking if that's the case, there's so much stupid I mean the transcripts exist, but whether or not they have the show transcript. Oh, there it is. Wait, did I just miss it? No, yeah, it hasn't shown up yet. That's okay. Yeah, it does take a long time. I mean, it's pretty insane that they give you transcripts. Anyways, I was thinking of making a video about this. Okay. All right, I think I'm going to end the stream and I'm going to start it up again. And we're going to do, I'm thinking of making a new series. Not that no one's here. I'm talking to myself. But where I start to do one-day builds. Because I think one-day builds, when you have this long arc of a project, it's very hard for it to be relatable until it's done. So I want to start, I'm just waiting around here. There's nothing really else for me to do here besides test, print it and test it. I have I have the redesigned. Let's see. I have the redesigned uh top here, but it's like, do I really even want to? I wonder if we could pull it down a little bit more. I mean, see how tall this looks here? Oh, we also need a. Oh, no, I printed this, and this worked fine. Hopefully, we don't get this stringing effect. I'm not gonna wait around and look for this. So, okay. All right, so we're gonna do this 1 day build thing. Something new, something fun.